Hello everyone, welcome to Creating with Roseanne Pearlie at Studio Cafe 315. Today I am doing a Technique Tuesday, reversing a stamp. So this stamp that I used from Country Birdhouse, right here, goes this way. But I created the reverse bird going this way. It's a simple technique. You need something like the Versamat that I have here, Stampin' Up! Sells a Versamat, and Memento ink. And I'm just going to stamp this nicely. And a piece of cardstock ready. Very quickly, and then just rub. And there you have the image. How did I cut it out? I took the die cut that I have for the stamp set, and it goes this way. So what I did was I held this up. I'm going to see if I hold that up, and you can see the image, and you line it up. You don't need any fancy equipment. And line it up and then die cut it. I know I did this one a little bit close to the edge, but I can still line it up and die cut it just the same. Coloring it in will show it even more. I am coloring it in so that you can see it. And I have a regular espresso marker that I'm going to use just to, because this is a little blurrier than that, but if you look, it comes out, you wouldn't know. If you just lightly do the feet and the beak, I'm going to do it with the other side of the marker. And once you color the whole thing in, you won't see the blurriness of the image. I'm just lightly going over the edge with early espresso. And you don't need to do the whole thing. Just a couple of the areas. I think that's pretty good. Once I might do these as well, very lightly, because this is a regular marker. It's not the blending marker. So this marker is water-based. So when you go over it after, it will bleed. Okay, and I didn't do that much to this one. I did more to this bird. So and you can't really use a lifter on this. So I do a little bit of the tail. And I'm going to lighten it up with ivory. And it's actually blending in some of this color. And that's it. And I did a little early espresso on the eye. So now, when you go, see how you can see it? So you can easily put your die cut on here. And when you put it up to the light, even more so, you can totally see that outline. And you can get you can place it. And then die cut it. I used the Country Birdhouse Stamp and Die Set for this Christmas card and the reverse bird technique. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a like, subscribe, so that I can do more videos like this. Thanks for watching.